Welcome to Learn About Astronomy, and this is the night sky for Friday, May 9th, 2014. So, what's up on that Friday evening of May 9th? Hopefully you're getting warmer weather, and of course the days are getting longer, so it really starts showing here. As the sun is setting, we have Jupiter that is quite high in the sky in the west-southwest. Still easy to spot, not as bright as it was last winter, but still a nice bright star. If you put a small telescope, you should see the moons of Jupiter actually, so that could be an interesting sight. We have, of course, a waxing gibbous moon getting close to planet Mars, and actually using the moon to find planets is a great idea, because the moon is the easiest thing to spot for somebody that is not really used to watching the night sky. And so you can use that as an aid to find the different stars and planets that you need, that you would like to watch. So it's getting closer to Mars, so it's easier to spot. You can now see that there's an orange star to the lower left, of the moon, and that's Mars. So waxing gibbous moon, and as the night progresses, Saturn rising pretty much as the sun sets. It's only 24 hours away from a great nice opposition for the month of May and for this year. And of course we'll have a separate video just talking about Saturn. As the night goes on, of course, we have our famous little dance of the planets. It's nice to see that on that evening, you know, around 10:30 p.m. You can watch at the same time Jupiter in the west, the moon, Mars to its left, and even Saturn to the southeast, the lower southeast. So all of that is visible at the same time. 3 planets plus the moon, which is quite nice. There are periods of the year sometimes where there's nothing to see, so it's nice to see many planets at the same time. And if you have a small telescope, Saturn is at its opposition almost. So it's one of the best times to actually watch it and watch the rings of Saturn, because they are quite open, because the angle of Saturn's rings changes as we orbit. So what happens is that now Saturn is quite nice in the way that its rings are actually open and easy to see even in a small telescope. As we're going through the evening, of course, we'll have Jupiter setting in the northwest around midnight 30. And if you watch through the night, you'll see that the waxing gibbous moon is actually getting slightly closer to Mars as the hours go by, because you can see that the moon actually moves through our sky faster because it's so close to the Earth. Saturn high in the south around 1:30 a.m. and as we go on, Pluto, it's there, but it's almost impossible to see unless you have a big, I believe you need at least a 14-inch telescope in a very dark sky to watch Pluto. Neptune, and especially Venus, rising early morning of Saturday, an hour before sunrise. So a very bright star in the east to watch by. If you enjoy our videos, why not subscribe to our channel? You'll be informed when new videos are online. If you have any comments or questions on what you've seen, let us know. Maybe you have a feature or a video of some kind of astronomy event or something you'd like us to talk about. Why not let us know, and we'll try to put that video online. And hopefully you will come back to learn about astronomy.